our communities. Established in virtue, built by hard work, and sustained with perseverance. It's where we live, the place we work, it's where we grow our families, and the place they play. But when the unexpected happens, it takes community to overcome. At Mammoth Restoration, we restore lives with urgency, and people with compassion. We restore property with professionalism and our communities with trust. Help is just a phone call away. Your fastest way to normal.